Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Charles Schwab Bank. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we talk about Charles Schwab Bank, one of its best features is the Schwab Bank High Yield Investor Checking Account. This account has no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and even reimburses you for unlimited ATM fees worldwide. Whether you're traveling abroad or at home, you won't pay a cent to access your cash. Plus, you'll earn a small amount of interest on your balance, which is currently better than what most traditional banks offer on checking accounts. Another significant advantage is the seamless integration with investment accounts. Charles Schwab Bank's biggest strength is how seamlessly it integrates with Schwab's brokerage services. If you're already a Schwab investor, it's easy to manage both your checking and investment accounts from one platform. Transfers between your Schwab Bank and brokerage accounts are instant and free. This is great for anyone who's already involved in the stock market or plans to start investing and wants everything in one place. Additionally, Schwab is known for its customer service. Whether it's through phone, live chat, or in branch services, Schwab customers report consistently positive experiences. They offer 24/7 customer support, which is ideal for people who prefer reliable, around-the-clock help for both banking and investing needs. Charles Schwab Bank also offers a high-yield savings account, the Schwab Bank High Yield Investor Savings Account, which stands out for its competitive interest rate with no minimums and no fees. It's a solid option for customers looking to earn more on their savings without worrying about getting hit with maintenance fees or balance requirements. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Charles Schwab Bank's focus is primarily on checking and savings accounts that complement their investment services. They do not offer a wide variety of traditional banking products like personal loans, mortgages, or credit cards. If you're looking for a bank that can cover all of your financial needs, including borrowing and everyday banking, Schwab might not offer enough flexibility. In conclusion, Charles Schwab Bank is ideal for users who want a no-fee checking account with unlimited ATM fee reimbursement and seamless integration with investment services. However, potential users should consider the limited product offerings, fewer physical branches, and relatively low interest rates on savings. So that's basically all about Charles Schwab Bank. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.